My dearest Seven Gay, as I light this candle, I want you to know its deep meaning. In Adibo, each candle symbolizes light. The light will guide you as you step into adulthood and the warmth and support from the people who love you. This candle represents my love, my prayers, and my unwavering support for you. It stands for the light I hope to give you in moments of darkness, the strength you can lean on during difficult times, and the joy I wish to see in your eyes every single day.
Heaven, as I watch you step into this new chapter of your life, I can't help but remember the little girl who used to hold my hand so tightly. You will always be my little baby girl. I'm so proud of the strong, kind, and beautiful woman you are today. You have such a big heart, and I know you will continue to make a difference in the lives of everyone around you.
Get the music up when the bass gets bumping. Show me some love. I want to hit the road.
I just want to take the moment to say thank you to everyone, especially to my Aunt Jennifer and to my cotillion dancers, sa mga nag-intermission din po. To Tita Lani and Tita Shalimar, our coordinator. And kagijay mamatong ko, to Uncle John Pers, and for my cousins, and to our cooks, to my Tita Johnson and Tita Jonaline. To my brother, or to my mama and papa, you are the reason why all of this happened. Sa lahat ng sakripisyo, gastos, puyat, love, stress, thank you. You gave me this night, this dream, and this beautiful memory. I hope I made you proud, because I'm so proud to be your daughter. To my photographers and videographers, to our MC, to the lights and sound system, to our venue, and finally, to everyone who came, helped, support, and celebrate with me, thank you for being part of this chapter. This debut isn't just a party, it's a memory I'll carry forever because of all of you. Thank you po from the bottom.